Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change your username on Twitter. First step is open your Twitter app on your phone. Within the mobile app, click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select Setting and Privacy. Then tap Your account is the first option. Then tap Account Information. Then tap Username is the first option. The username currently listed at the username field. If the username is taken, you will be prompted to choose another one. And then tap Next, but I am already exist with username.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.